welcome back to my channel. To learn some daily use short English sentences, 3-word sentences. We can use these sentences in our daily life. So, without wasting our time, let's begin. वहाँ खड़े हो जाओ. Stand over there. Stand over there. हर कोई चौकन्ना था. Everyone was alert. Everyone was alert. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था. Nothing was done. Nothing was done. किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया. No one answered. No one answered. कोई नहीं मिला. No one moved. No one moved. लानत है तुम पर. Shame on you. Shame on you. मदद आ रही है. Help is coming. Help is coming. लोग भूख से मर रहे हैं. Peoples are starving. Peoples are starving. अंदर आ जाओ. Come back in. Come back in. एक बार ही काफी था. Once was enough. Once was enough. किसी के पास जाओ. Go to somebody. Go to somebody. किसी से बात करो. Talk to somebody. Talk to somebody. बहुत ही शांत रहना. Be very quiet. Be very quiet. छुट्टियों के मज़े लो. Enjoy the holidays. Enjoy the holidays. बहुत सारे लोग चले गए. Many people left. Many people left. फर्श पर झाड़ू लगा दो. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. कतार में लग जाओ. Get in line. Get in line. सभी चिंतित लग रहे हैं. Everyone seems tense. Everyone seems tense. एक कोशिश करो. Make an effort. Make an effort. सबकी बोलती बंद हो गई. Everyone was speechless. Everyone was speechless. सब आराम से हो गया. Everything went smooth. Everything went smooth. एक बार और आजमाओ. Try once again. Try once again. थोड़ा और आजमाओ. Try some more. Try some more. एक बार करके देखो. Take a chance. Take a chance. फिर से दिखाना मुझे. Show me again. Show me again. बहुत कम शिकायतें आती है. Complaints are rare. Complaints are rare. पैसा लोगों को बदल देता है. Money changes people. Money changes people. करते रहो. Keep on doing. Keep on doing. इसे जारी रखो. Keep it up. Keep it up. क्या तुम शर्त लगा सकते हो? Can you bet? Can you bet? तुम महान हो. You are great. You are great. आप जा सकते हो. You can go. You can go. मुझसे बाद में बात करना. Call me later. Call me later. I hope this video is helpful for you. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.